Hey guys, I'm here in Lakefield Place and we're checking out this DR Horton community, which is located just about 40 minutes east of Cincinnati. It's located in Goshen Township, and there is so much that this community has to offer. If you're thinking about moving to Cincinnati, I would definitely keep this one on your list. I'm gonna be showing you all that this community has to offer, from the pickleball courts, the dog park, the playground, basketball courts, the pool, and then we're gonna go inside of the model home. And make sure you stick around to the end because they just started on some new townhomes, and I'm gonna take you guys there as well. My name is Evan, and I get calls from people just like you every single day who are looking to make a move to Cincinnati. So whether you're looking to make a move in 6 days, 60 days, or 6 months, I'd love to help you out. My contact information is on the screen, or you can also click the link in the description to book a call with me, and I'd love to help you out. All right, let's check this place out. All right guys, so here we are in the model home, and this is the Bridgeport floor plan. So just keep that in mind as you're looking. There are plenty of other floor plans and townhomes coming soon, but I wanted to give you guys an in-depth look at this floor plan. Obviously it is staged, and there will be some upgrades in this home that may not be in, that come in the standard package, so just keep that in mind as well. So here's a half bath off the main floor, which is always nice to have when you have guests over. Quite a bit of storage plate already in here. I don't know if you can tell how deep this actually goes back, but and you do have access to the plumbing for that bathroom right there as well. So we'll start back here. This particular home, it kind of just faces the grassy area. Now, a lot of these homes, let me turn you around here. A lot of these homes, there are a couple lakes and they have sprinklers and things like that in there. A lot of these homes do face that, so you're not always just getting like the road. It really just depends on which lot you want. I just spoke to the rep here. There are only a few more lots available. They have one home that's already built that's still available, and then they have like a couple lots right now. So there's not a lot here. They are about to start working on the townhomes though. If you're interested in a townhome, there's gonna be a lot more available until they open up a new phase. And then there will be more lots for homes as well. And these are 9-foot ceilings, just to give you an idea. So it does feel pretty nice and open. Got a pretty large quartz countertop island. All these appliances are Whirlpool appliances, stainless steel. These are not soft close, if that matters to you. They feel pretty sturdy, shaker style cabinets. And this will be your pantry. And that would be your garage in the model home. That's actually their office, so I won't show that, but that would be where your garage would be located. So we'll head upstairs. Here's a peek out into the community. As you can see, if you take a left there, which we will show you, you have the pickleball courts. If you keep going on down, you have the pool and more of the community back there as well. All right. Give you a little spin around. This is the landing area here. We can start right here. So this is a great little hangout area. I can imagine if you have kids, they would probably love this area right here, especially the way they have it set up. Kind of like a little movie room almost. Here is the laundry room. This is perfect to have laundry on the same floor as the primary bedroom, and really all of the bedrooms actually. This is a fairly decent sized closet for a guest bedroom. Does have one rack of built-in shelving. Here's bedroom number 2. Again, fairly decent sized bedroom, or sorry, bedroom closet, I should say, for a guest bedroom. I'm not sure if you can see that. The fence out there, right there, will be part of the pickleball courts and dog park area. So we'll show that in a little bit. This is kind of like a linen closet. Sorry, I got you guys zoomed in too much. Linen closet. And this is going to be your water heater and HVAC room. Here's the first full bath we've shown. You do have dual sinks here. And then it is kind of nice, you actually have a separate door that separates the shower and the toilet. So if somebody is using the shower, using the toilet, and you have guests or you have kids, they can still brush their teeth, wash their hands, whatever they need to do here. Here's bedroom number 3, and I will say this particular model shows 4 bedrooms. You can get this up to 5 bedrooms, just so you know. This is probably the smallest closet we've seen yet. Still a decent size again for a guest bedroom, but definitely the smallest room and closet. And then finally, we have the primary bedroom. And here's the primary bedroom closet. I would say this is double the size of the first 2 bedroom closets you saw. Again, you do have 1 level of built-in shelving already. Plenty of room for your wife or spouse to have as much room as they want and give you this section right here. Again, dual sinks, which is always nice. Really, I feel like dual sinks is becoming more of just like a standard now. It's almost weird to not have that, especially in new construction. This is just, to be completely honest with you, a cheap shower panel, nothing tiled or anything. I'm sure you could, if you're custom building and not buying like one that's already built, I'm sure you would have the option to go tiled there. And then here's a separate door for the toilet. So again, that way somebody can be taking a shower, go to the closet, whatever they need to do there. All right, so that was all for this floor plan here and the model home, but I do want to show you some of the townhomes, so stay tuned. I'm gonna walk over there, but for you it'll just be a quick cut and we'll be there. All right, guys, so unfortunately I was unable to go into the townhomes. I mean, I can go into them, but there's not a lot to show you. They've just been framed, and some of them have some drywall. That one right there on the right side is going to be the model home, so they're a little further along with that one, but there's still so much construction going in there. It was just really hard to show you what they would look like. I did want to point out everything behind there too is going to be more land for these townhomes. You might be able to see. So they'll back up to trees, and they'll be wooded, almost wooded lots, which is awesome. They're located right next to the pool, and I will definitely try to put some pictures up of what those townhomes will look like, and let me know if, let me turn you around here. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing what they look like once they're completed. I will definitely make sure to come back and get that if that is something that you're interested in. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you are interested in this community or any home in Cincinnati for that matter, I'd love to help you out. My information is on the screen, or you can click the link in the description and book a call with me. Thanks.